Yo guys, what's going on? I am George and this is You Wanna Watch. Welcome back to the shop and welcome back to another project. Today we got a whole bunch of hand tools to get cleaned up and looking the best we can. I say without any further ado, we jump right into it. Let's go. Alrighty guys, well let's get a good look at these before we start cleaning them up. This is a pair of Utica BX100. This is for cutting and snipping BX wire. That's that armored or shielded wire. They do have some pretty solid nippers in the front, and then of course a crusher back here. I'm going to get these cleaned up and given to a buddy of mine. He's an electrician. These I believe are Channellock 415s. I haven't cleaned them up to actually see what model they are, but they are the smooth jaw. I know I have a pair of these that are a little bit smaller, so they're probably 6-inch. But yeah, these things are rusted, nasty, absolutely funky. I want to get these cleaned up and looking good. And then of course the set of Craftsman speed wrenches, I want to get these cleaned up as well. They don't look too bad on camera, but the more you start looking at it, you can see there's rust. There's all sorts of stuff on there. So I want to get these cleaned up and sent off to a buddy of mine as well. So let's get this project going. I think I'm going to start with the little BX cutters. Let's get these taken apart and we'll see where this project takes us. Got my little adjustable here on the back side. Oh, huh. These just did not want to come apart, did they? There's that little nut. This thing is tiny. Tiny. Apologize about the noise behind us, guys. There's a landscaping company over there cleaning up some leaves, and they've got a very loud weed eater or leaf blower. There's a screw, and there is the tool completely taken apart. Yeah, these are in some pretty rough shape. All right. Next, I guess we'll go with the Channellocks. They got to be Channellock brand. That or Utica. Did that move? I'm gonna have to throw another log on the fire. Starting to feel a little chilly. This morning when I came in the shop, it was 26 degrees. That's Fahrenheit. It was nippy in here. It just doesn't seem like these want to do anything here. There we go. Nut, and those are broken down. Wow, look at the rust in there. It's pretty bad. And guess I'll actually use a pocket knife. Cut the zip tie off here. There we go there. I think I'm going to start with the channel locks on the wire wheel. So let's jump right over there. Well, I don't know if that's going to show up, but they are Channellock brand 415. And the jowl is in really good shape, surprisingly. Got to clean a lot more than that, though. That's what I'm talking about with these wrenches. You see the rust all over them. Let's get them cleaned up. Alright, well, all the speed wrenches came out really good. I'm quite happy with those. I am going to throw them on the buffer. That's going to be a final thing that I do to those. So we can hold off on these until the end. It's a little pair of BX cutters. I think I want to throw these on the 1x30. Get them cleaned up as much as possible. And I don't know what kind of finish we're going to do on these. And I don't know what kind of finish we're going to do on these. But we're going to let the tool decide what they want. So let me start with the 1x30 on these, and we'll see where this takes us. This is my favorite part of the whole thing. It's feeling how smooth they are afterwards. Super clean. They got that nice dark look that I'm looking for. And yeah, I truly like the way how all this stuff came out. I mean, yeah, your hands do get all dirty and oily. That's the fun of it. As far as I'm concerned, that's the fun of it. We're just going to let these sit here and marinate in their juices a minute. Gotta get another rag. A little bit too much. Look at that. There we go. Very nice. Very, very nice. It came out remarkable. Nice dark color on them. All that deep-seated rust is out of there. They move absolutely perfect. I'm liking that. Cool. Alright, let's get these little guys back together. And we still need to buff out the Craftsman wrenches. Tiny, tiny, tiny little nut on there. Boy, that's nice. No gap. Just a little bit more. Nice. Like those. I'm sure my buddy will too. Wow. Boy, they're so shiny. They came out absolutely fantastic. I like that. Yep, I like that a lot. All right, let's go buff some wrenches. Alright, well, these came out absolutely fantastic. Nice and clean. I'm liking that. And all of them cleaned up rather well. They definitely need a nice little light wipe down with some oil. What I think I'm going to do, shower ring. I'm going to put these right on the shower ring. Since I don't have a holder for them, gonna make one. No zip string, no nothing like that. Zip tie. There we go. They got their own little holder. You can hang them up by it. Yeah, I think that'll work. Again, the Uticas came out absolutely fantastic. Love that. And the 415 Channellocks came out absolutely fantastic too. Again, really happy with these. And that's it, guys. Alrighty guys, well we are all done with this one. Just a quick little video. I wanted to clean up some tools. I do have plans for those. The Craftsman speed wrenches are going to be sent off to a buddy of mine. The little BX pliers also going to be given to a buddy of mine. And the Channellocks I'm actually keeping for myself. So these are going to go right in my Channellock collection. So That's it, guys. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. Like always, stay safe, be safe, and we will see you next week with another. Bye.